Why did the Scoville scale break up with the cocktail? Because it couldn't handle the heat. Welcome to our scintillating journey into the world of spicy cocktails. You might ask, why spicy cocktails? Well, as the global culinary scene continues to evolve, we're seeing a surge in the popularity of spicy food and drinks. It's a trend that's been simmering for a while now, but it's really coming to a boil recently. Spicy cocktails have been making waves in the mixology scene, fusing the heat of spices with the smoothness of spirits. And it's not just about adding a dash of Tabasco to your Bloody Mary anymore. Bartenders worldwide are experimenting with a wide range of spicy ingredients, from smoked paprika to exotic Asian spices, creating innovative and fiery concoctions. But don't worry, this isn't just about setting your mouth on fire. These spicy cocktails are a delicate balance of heat, sweet, and everything in between, offering a multi-layered sensory experience. It's all about the thrill of the heat, the complexity of the flavors, and of course, the joy of trying something delightfully unexpected. So buckle up, folks. We are about to embark on a fiery journey through the world of spicy cocktails. Number 1. Devil's Martini. First up, we have the Devil's Martini, a cocktail so spicy it makes the devil blush. Now this isn't your average martini, it's got a kick that'll have you rethinking your life choices in the best possible way. The Devil's Martini is a tantalizing mix of vodka and vermouth with a fiery twist. The secret ingredient? Tabasco sauce. Yes, you heard right. This cocktail is devilishly daring, not for the faint of heart or taste buds. It's said that each sip is like dancing with the devil himself, toe-to-toe on a flaming dance floor. So if you're a thrill seeker, this cocktail is definitely up your alley. To make a Devil's Martini, you'll first need to pour 2 parts vodka and 1 part dry vermouth into a cocktail shaker filled with ice. Shake it like you're trying to wake the devil up from his afternoon nap. Then strain the concoction into a martini glass. And here comes the fiery finale. Add a dash of Tabasco sauce. Just a dash, mind you. We don't want to set off any fire alarms. Now you might be wondering, why Tabasco sauce? Well, it's all about that juxtaposition of flavors. The cool, smooth vodka and vermouth create the perfect backdrop for the Tabasco's fiery heat. It's a dance of flavors, a tango of taste, you get the picture. Remember, the Devil's Martini isn't just a cocktail, it's an experience, an adventure into the spicy unknown, a dare to your taste buds, a flirtation with the fiery side of life. It's a cocktail that's not just about the destination, but the journey. So go ahead, give it a try. Dive headfirst into the fiery depths of the Devil's Martini. Just remember to keep a glass of water nearby, just in case. There you have it, a cocktail that's perfect for those who like to live dangerously. Number 2. Smoked Paprika Margarita. Here, we present the Smoked Paprika Margarita, a cocktail that's like a fiesta in your mouth. This cocktail is a carnival of flavors, with the smoky allure of the paprika dancing with the tangy tones of the lime. It's like Cinco de Mayo and the running of the bulls, all rolled into one, but without the danger of being gored by a bull. Now let's dive into the recipe. The Smoked Paprika Margarita is a simple cocktail to prepare. You'll need some tequila, of course. Choose a quality brand because, as we all know, bad tequila is a party crasher nobody invited. Next, you'll need fresh lime juice. None of that bottled stuff, we want the real deal, freshly squeezed. The lime's tartness will balance out the heat of our star ingredient, the smoked paprika. This spice is not just your average paprika. It's been smoked, which gives it a deeper, more complex flavor. It's like the difference between a pop song and a symphony. Both can be enjoyable, but one has a bit more depth. You'll also need some simple syrup to sweeten the deal and a pinch of salt to round out the flavors. Now, imagine shaking all these ingredients together. The tequila, lime, and smoked paprika are getting to know each other, blending their unique flavors to create a cocktail that's both smoky and spicy. And as you pour it into your glass, rimmed with a mix of salt and smoked paprika for that extra kick, you can almost hear the mariachi band playing in the background. The Smoked Paprika Margarita is not for the faint of heart. It's a cocktail that packs a punch, just like a masked luchador. It's bold, it's fiery, and it's ready to party. And the best part? You don't have to wait for a special occasion to enjoy it. Any day can be a fiesta with this cocktail in hand. So, if you're looking for a cocktail that's as lively as a Mexican fiesta, the Smoked Paprika Margarita is your go-to. It's a party in a glass, a celebration of flavor, and a surefire way to spice up your evening. Salud! Number 3. Desi Masala Cocktail. Now, let's spice things up a notch with the Desi Masala Cocktail, a cocktail with a kick that's hotter than a Bollywood dance number. This captivating cocktail is a symphony of flavors playing out a spicy drama in your mouth. It begins with vodka, the leading man of our story, smooth and suave. But this isn't your run-of-the-mill vodka cocktail. Oh no, this one packs a punch that would make even the most seasoned spice aficionado break into a sweat. The supporting cast is a medley of exotic spices. We're talking black pepper, cumin, and coriander, all ground together to create a masala that's as fiery as a Bollywood villain. This spice blend is then infused into the vodka, creating a cocktail base that's as potent as it is flavorful. The plot thickens with the addition of Tabasco sauce, the surprise twist in our story. Just a few drops of this fiery concoction can take the heat from 0 to 100 real quick, so use wisely unless you want your taste buds to perform an impromptu fire dance. Then comes the guava juice, the romantic subplot in our spicy tale. Its sweet tropical flavor is the perfect counterpoint to the heat, creating a balance that's as harmonious as a Bollywood love story. Now, just when you think our story is coming to an end, we hit you with the grand finale. A generous squeeze of lime, adding a tangy zing that ties all the flavors together in a climactic burst of taste. So, imagine sipping on this cocktail, feeling the warmth spread through your body, the flavors dancing on your tongue, the spice leaving a tingling sensation in its wake. It's an experience that's as thrilling as watching a Bollywood blockbuster, complete with dance numbers, dramatic twists, and a satisfying end. So, if you're in the mood for a cocktail that's as spicy and exciting as a Bollywood movie, the Desi Masala cocktail is a must-try. Number 4, Spiced Mango Mojito. Next on the menu is the Spiced Mango Mojito, a cocktail that's like a sunny beach vacation with a spicy twist. Imagine sipping on a mojito. Now, imagine that mojito with a tropical twist. The sweetness of ripe mangoes mingling with the freshness of mint leaves, but wait, there's more. We're not just stopping at the tropical vibe, we're adding a sizzling surprise to it with a pinch of spice. Ah, the intrigue of the Spiced Mango Mojito. So, how do you prepare this exotic concoction? Start with muddling a handful of fresh mint leaves at the bottom of your glass. Then, add the star of our show, a generous dollop of mango puree. The mango lends a tropical sweetness that will transport you to sun-soaked beaches with every sip. Next, add a good glug of white rum. No beach vacation is complete without a bit of the old pirate's delight, right? Now here comes the twist, a dash of spice. You could use a spicy syrup or even a couple of shakes of cayenne pepper. Remember, we're aiming for a gentle kick, not a full-on fiery assault. Once you have all your ingredients in the glass, give everything a good stir. Top it off with some crushed ice and a splash of soda water for that fizzy finish. And there you have it. A spiced mango mojito, a cocktail that's a vacation in a glass. Now imagine yourself lounging in a hammock, the sun warming your skin, the sea breeze rustling through the palm trees, and in your hand, a spiced mango mojito, its sweet spicy flavors tantalizing your taste buds. Doesn't that sound like paradise? But remember folks, paradise comes with a twist. That kick of spice is like the unexpected sunburn you get on vacation. It stings a bit, but it's part of the experience. So, if you're dreaming of a beach vacation with a fiery twist, the spiced mango mojito is your ticket to paradise. Number 5, Bloody Mary. Last but not least, we have the classic Bloody Mary, a cocktail that's as spicy as it is legendary. This devilish drink is not just a cocktail, it's a hearty breakfast, a hangover cure, and a fiery dare all rolled into one tantalizing glass. Our Bloody Mary starts with vodka, the alcohol equivalent of a blank canvas, ready to take on whatever flavors we throw at it. Next, we add some tomato juice, the backbone of this cocktail, bringing a rich, earthy sweetness that balances out the heat. Then comes the real fun part, the seasonings. We're talking about Worcestershire sauce. For that umami kick, then a splash of Tabasco to get your taste buds dancing. Some like it hot, but if you're feeling particularly brave, feel free to add an extra dash or two. Just remember, this cocktail is a marathon, not a sprint. A pinch of salt and pepper is added to elevate the flavors, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for that tangy punch. And let's not forget the celery stalk, the unsung hero of the Bloody Mary, adding a refreshing crunch and acting as a handy edible stirrer. But what truly sets the Bloody Mary apart is its infamous reputation. Legend has it that if you say Bloody Mary 3 times into a mirror, she'll appear. But if you ask me, the real magic happens when you say Bloody Mary to a bartender. Suddenly this spicy, savory, and oh so satisfying cocktail appears right before your eyes. So there you have it, the Bloody Mary, a timeless classic that's not for the faint of heart. Whether you're nursing a hangover, in need of a brunch companion, or simply up for a spicy challenge, this cocktail is sure to deliver. But remember folks, sip responsibly. After all, you wouldn't want to end up seeing double of your drink or of Bloody Mary herself. Well folks, we've made it through our fiery journey without burning our taste buds off. We've braved the flames of 5 spicy cocktails and lived to tell the tale. First, we dived headfirst into the fiery pits with the Devil's Martini, a concoction so wickedly delicious that it could tempt an angel. With a blend of vodka and Tabasco, it certainly lived up to its devilish name. Next, we ventured into smoky territory with the smoked paprika margarita, a cocktail that dared to combine the classic margarita with a dash of smoked paprika. Who knew that tequila and paprika could dance so well together in a glass? Then, we were transported to the streets of India with the Desi Masala cocktail. This cocktail was a bold fusion of traditional Indian spices and vodka. It was like a Bollywood dance number in a glass, vibrant, energetic, and full of spice. Our fourth stop was the tropical paradise of the spiced mango mojito. This was a refreshing twist on the classic mojito with the added kick of spicy mango. It was like a beach holiday with a surprising sunburn. Finally, we concluded our spicy expedition with the queen of spicy cocktails, the Bloody Mary. It was a familiar face with a fiery twist, a cocktail that's not afraid to pack a punch. It's been a roller coaster ride of flavors, from the devilishly spicy to the smoky and exotic. And we've learned that spice isn't just about heat, it's about adding an unexpected twist, a bit of excitement to our drinks. After all, as they say in the world of cocktails, variety is the spice of life. So the next time you find yourself in a cocktail rut, why not add a little spice? Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. And remember, life is like a cocktail, it's all in how you make it. So don't be afraid to spice things up a bit. For more food and drinks tips, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. Until next time, keep cooking.